Hey everybody, thanks again for tuning in to another episode of Tuesday's Tool on Otram's YouTube channel. This week I thought I'd show you our ancient reed lathe, probably from the early 1900s, but retrofit with a super awesome treadmill motor. We don't use this a lot, but it comes in really handy for jobs like this. We need to press carrier bearings onto this differential, but there's a seat we have to miss, and none of the bearing pressers that we've got match this ID and this ID, so they all catch the bearing race right here. So we're going to take the one that's closest, and we've got it chucked up here in the lathe, and we're going to turn a step onto it so that it'll fit onto this bearing like we want it to. And there we go. Now the presser fits in there. And the race still spins, so we can go ahead and press our bearing. That's just one of the things we use the lathe for. It comes in real handy, and I really like having it. So another fun use for the lathe, we've got some rotor spacers for Crash's little boop car, and they need to have about 1/16 of an inch turned off the diameter to fit inside of his rotors. So I could either turn him loose with a grinder, or we can turn him on the lathe, which the lathe doesn't want to turn on. Come on. There we go. And we need to take quite a bit more off. That's our Tuesday's tool for this week. If you like what you saw, subscribe down below, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Thanks.